Okay, this is an actual problem from the EA/GMAT. Stop the video and read the problem and ask yourself what you are trying to find. So we are trying to find 1 over S plus 1 over T in terms of T. That means our answer will have a T in it. Okay, but that's what we're trying to find. If S is the product, S equals product multiplication of the integers from 100 to 200. So that's 100 times 101 times 102 ... 199 times 200. And inclusive, by the way, means that you include 100 and 200. And T is the product of the integers from 100, 100.101.102 ... to 201. 201. So that would be 199 times 200 times 201. Now, if you look, this part of T is actually S. So we know that T equals S times 201, which is the same thing as T equals 201S. And we're trying to find 1 over S plus 1 over T in terms of T. So I need to get rid of the S. So let's solve this equation for S by dividing both sides by 201. So I've got T over 201 equals S. And let's substitute that in for S. So that's 1 over T over 201 plus 1 over T. So I've got a complex fraction in the first term. And I'm going to multiply 201 times the top and 201 times the bottom. And that's going to give me 201 over T plus 1 over T gives me 202 over T. So there's your answer. I would like to make a point. If you have 1 over a fraction, it just flips the fraction.